Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to install Steam on your Windows PC or your Windows computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to install Steam on your computer or your PC, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Steam like this, and you can see the welcome to the Steam, and on the first website's name there is the store.steampower.com. Click on that website and it will take you to the home page of Steam, which is this one. Now to install Steam on your computer, on the top right corner of the screen you can see the install Steam option available over here. Click on install Steam, and again you can see this interface where install Steam for Windows is available over here. Click on install Steam, and you can see it has been downloaded over here. The download will depend on your net speed and your computer. Let's open it. Let's directly open the file and let's click on yes, and you can see the Steam setup dialog box has appeared. Let's click on next, and English is our language or my language. You can change your language from over here. Let's click on next, and next you can see the destination folder for Steam program files x64. Leave it as it is, and still, and we are on the final step guys. But before we finish, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos, because it takes a lot of effort to make these kinds of videos. So it would give us a little bit of motivation to continue to make these helpful videos for you if you just subscribe. And let's click on finish, and you can see the Steam is updating itself on our computer, and it takes a bit of time to extract all the packages from the internet to your computer. So let's wait a moment. And there guys, as you can see, we have successfully installed the Steam on our computer on Windows. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And peace.